Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some jerk fried fish. Yes, so these are my fish. I have 4 sea bream, but you can use whatever fish you have at home. Okay, so these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of jerk seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning, and just a pinch of salt, because you don't need a lot, because you know those seasonings are already full of so much salt. Okay, and I also gonna add, of course, this is my jerk marinate from the bottle. Okay, yes, and this is 2 spoons. So I slice my fish and I only add 1 slice to it. If you want, you can cut it 2 times, but just make sure you take your time. Okay, so that's perfect. So now I'm just gonna add some olive oil just to keep them nice and moist. Then I'm just gonna take my hand and just rub it all on my fish. So when I'm seasoning it, the seasoning will stick right on it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna add my jerk marinade first. You're just gonna do like so. But guys, make sure your fish is dried, okay? Make sure it's not wet, because you don't want to fry a wet fish. Make sure you put some of the jerk seasoning in the gut. And I'm just going to repeat the same process. Yeah. I'm telling you, this fish right here is going to be super, super delicious. All that jerk seasoning, so good. But you don't need a lot of jerk seasoning, because trust me, it's really spicy. So don't use a lot unless you want it to be super, super spicy. So I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. Then I'm just gonna add it to my fish. You wanna make sure you add some seasoning in right here that you slice. Just put it in my bowl as I finish. Make sure you put some of this seasoning in the head, because you want your fish to be nice and full of flavor. So don't be scared, guys, to season it up properly. Yeah. So my fish is nicely seasoned, guys. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes or so, But if you don't have the time, you just cook it as it is, because that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And trust me, it still have a taste good. So now guys, I'm gonna fry it, okay? So stay tuned. So these are all of my vegetable that I'm gonna use to garnish my fish. So here I have 1 carrot that I just finely chop. So this is the size. I also have some bell peppers, as you can see, all the colors, and that's off, okay? And this is how I cut it, guys, like so. And that's my onion, and that's 1 onion, and I cut my onion in circles, yeah. And I'm also gonna add just a small amount of my pimento seed. But if you don't have it, guys, it is totally optional, okay? Yeah. So now, guys, I'm gonna fry my fish. So as you can see, my pot is on my stove, and my stove is on a medium heat, okay? Make sure your stove is not turned up too high. And I add some vegetable oil. Just add a good amount, yeah. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my scotch bonnet pepper and my garlic. It flavor up the oil, so that's the reason why, okay? So now I'm gonna fry my fish, and I'm gonna fry, guys, at least 5 minutes on each side, okay? I'm only gonna add 2 fish at a time, 2 to 3. So now I'm gonna turn my fish. Nice and golden. That's exactly how you want it. Guys, do not do that at home. I'm used to that, but please don't do that at home, okay? So my fish has nicely fried. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna remove it, okay? And I'm just gonna add it to a grill. So all that excess oil will come from it. See that? Nice, crispy, super, super yummy. That's exactly how you want it. Nice and golden. So now I'm gonna add my remaining fish. Make sure your oil is still nice and hot. So all my fish is nice and fried. So now I'm gonna remove them. So now I'm gonna make my garnish for my fish. So here I have at least 1 spoon of my olive oil I add to my pot, and my stove is on a low heat, okay? So now I'm just gonna add my onions, my carrot, my bell peppers, my pimento seed, and I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoon of my jerk seasoning, and my remaining seasoning that's left, okay? I'm just gonna stir it, make sure it all blend all in, and I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 3 to 4 minutes, okay? So I'm just plating up my fish. Then guys, I'm just gonna garnish it with all that vegetable, okay? I'm telling you, this recipe right here is absolutely delicious. You guys are gonna enjoy it. Please guys, do not forget to share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I work so hard just to get these videos out for you guys. So please support my channel. And if you have been supporting my YouTube channel, I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Do you see how nice all that color look? I'm telling you, the flavor is all in that vegetable because I put the jerk seasoning on it. And guys, trust me, it is so good. So you can serve it with some hors d'oeuvre bread, with some festival, with some dumpling, with some salad, or guys, you can have it on its own. Some rice and peas, whatever you preferred, okay? So now I'm just gonna taste my fish, and guys, I'm telling you, it was so nice, so moist. The flavor is everything. Honestly guys, this recipe is a must try. It is super delicious. So good. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for many more delicious videos like these. Until next time, bye guys, stay blessed, love ya.